Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let's see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the price open here 4,735. As per our advice, again it was a market watch day, and right after the opening the price went near 4,820 and closed near 4,789. Today it's expected to open somewhere near 4,780. So what we can do today, if you see the last 3 days trading, 3 or 4 days price action, we could see that the price is taking some support around 4,750, but it is also not clearing 4,820, which is acting as a critical resistance. So it's a very close call. What we can do, we can take a risk. If you really want to take some risk, you can go for buying by placing stop loss near 4,750 or 4,740, expecting that the price can break 4,820. Or else what you can do, you can wait for the price to go and break 4,820, and then you can place a stop near 4,750 to be on the safer side. So these are the risk taking opportunities you have. If you're a conservative trader, stay away from the market. And today M6 is launching crude oil options derivatives. It's a much awaited derivative product. We expected that particularly for crude oil. What we will be doing is kindly follow our YouTube channel. Really we want to see the volatility, we want to see the liquidity available, and continuously we will start posting video presentations and analysis for crude oil options derivatives also. Probably after we are not going to rush and do the video presentations right from today, but from tomorrow on seeing the price actions and everything from today, from tomorrow possibly you can expect us to post some video presentations for options derivatives also. And by the way, you can very well attend our options training session. Please visit our website gwcindia.in and enroll for webinars, online webinars. So let's see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.